We have a light fixture for outdoors, all weather, snow, heat, rain, as it's raining right now. It takes LED bulbs sold separately. They can unscrew and place back on. Replaceable open bottom, seated, aluminum. It is glass, a nice design. And we're going to show you what the product is about. Lumen Zone, aluminum, seed glass, which is the design. Bulbs are not included for outdoor, weather resistant all year round. It is a light fixture. Let's open up the box, show you how nicely they are packaged and what's inside. Please be careful when opening. The instructions are on top. It is protected by styrofoam. Lift up and out. Everything nicely wrapped up and protected. Inside the packaging is some hardware. Wire nuts, screws, bolts. E26 bulb. Simply place one in, through the bottom, and secure it down. A maximum of 60 watts. This is the seated glass. A nice close-up look. I'll show you what it looks like lit up at nighttime. So let's go hang the unit up. Remove the bell house nut and washer and hang up the bracket horizontal. In the junction box, place on your bolts and lock down. Hook up your ground, your load and neutral, and lock down with the wire nuts. Adjust and level the bracketing. Slide on the two bolts and place on the washer and bell house nut on each side. The unit lights up and we'll show you what it looks like in the evening hours. These are the seated designs of the glass round housing that you're able to put your hands in to change the bulb when the unit's off, with a circular type arch design of aluminum, glass, metal. For all year round, weather resistant, this is your light fixture. All right, it's low light. And here we are with the 60-watt bulb. The fixture with the seated glass, tempered resistant glass, and weather is raining. It is metal, aluminum, and it is round and spherical in design. It has its shape and all. We'll give you a close-up look at the light. The light could be hung up front door, garage area, sheds, by the gazebo, side of the house, anywhere that you need to put a light. As you can see from the bottom looking up, to change out the bulb, you simply have an opening. The bulb can be changed by removing and screwing in. LEDs are cool to the touch. So if you're looking for a light fixture, about 8 inches and so in diameter, about 4.5, 5 inches in diameter, aluminum, seated tempered glass, this may be something that you are looking for. Check online for further details about the product. And thank you for viewing.